Hello everyone, welcome back with the fourth puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on a Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, August the 19th, 2021. We have two puzzles left, a tectonic one and a killer Sudoku. Killer Sudoku. But first, we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 3268. 3268. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, 14. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. We will see. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? The single box is always a 1. I see here the single box. Always a 1. Okay. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes in this puzzle? Yes. Dual box here contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so I mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes. I see here the triple box. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, we see here 3, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 1. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. And remember, if you see a triple box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or 5. Okay. More triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes. Do we have any quadra boxes? Oh, I missed one. Triple box. I've told you 4 or a 5. The inside box, 4 or 5. So now we have a pair, 4 and a 5. So it contains the 1, the 2, and 3. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. More quadra boxes? No. No quadra boxes. Well, here are 1. But I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Okay. The following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some constructions, structures. For example, the L shape. The L shape. Let me draw this, the L shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes. No L. Here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following structure or shape. This shape. Okay. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. It's a 2. Alright, so... Okay. Here another one, but rotated. So this box is connected with that box. So it's a 1 or a 2. Is connected also with that box, 1 and a 2, but we see here 1. So it cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 2. And it's connected with that box, should be also a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. Alright, more of this kind of shape. Here, another 1. So this box is connected with that box. Okay, then the following structure or shape. This kind of... Let me draw this one. This one first. Yeah. Okay. If you see this kind of shape or structure or figure, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, more of this kind of shape? No. Then one shape is left, this one. Yeah. Okay, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Those are the figures or shapes or constructions, structures, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. There are 4 in this puzzle, but there are more that you need to recognize. But in this puzzle, we have 4 of them. Then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get started filling the numbers. All right. Let me see. These two, no. This box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 box left in this area for the number 3. Okay. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. We have a 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, this box is connected with that box. This should be a 3. I overlooked. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. 2 boxes left in this L shape for the numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot place anyone in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3. And that box should be a 1. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Okay. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Together with the 2 we have a pair. So 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Okay. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 5 and 1. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 1 goes there. Alright. Then I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1, can it be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Okay. Then. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. We have a 3 there. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there in this quarter box. So the 1 and the 4 are left the 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and the 4. Okay. Okay. These 2 boxes. Wait. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and the 4. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. Let me think. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1. Can it be 2? Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Yes. Definitely a 5. 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 4. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. The 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5. Can it be a 5? So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes together as a pair. So I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. Okay. 4 and a 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes here. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1, can be a 2, can be 3, cannot be a 5. It's in the same area. So this should be a 4. Alright, 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 1. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box is going to be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Those 2 boxes in this triple box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. Those 3 boxes surround the 3, can be 3, so the 1 box left for the 3 should be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, can be a 2, can be a 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow. Is this really a 4 stars? No, because for 4 stars I need 30 minutes or more. And I've solved this in 15 minutes. 15 minutes? Is this then 3 stars? No, because for 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. So I think it's rather a 2 stars. Because for 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes. And I've solved this in 15 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle of the day, a killer Sudoku. Yes, see you then. Bye bye for now.